Today we shall be going to study our 1.4 lesson of an English big data, big insight. In this lesson we shall be going to study the latest technological pattern of big data, how big data works effectively, and how big data has influenced our every sphere of life. Okay, for example, when computer was invented, so at that time it was considered that this computer technology is the greatest technology of this century. Okay, so then what happened later on, big data has affected the computer technology on a very large scale, and how it was made possible due to the rapid advancement in the field of science and technology. Means this revolution has affected our every sphere of life, and it made possible due to the invention in the science and technology. This computer system was upgraded, and later on one technology, whenever any new technology comes, so we says goodbye to the old technology. For example, when floppy disk came, so at that time what happened, it comes under the sunlight, so at that time what happened, all the data is erased, and when we are going for typing or taking print out, so what happened, then we notice that the data is already corrupted. So pen drive is the latest, USB pen drive is the very latest technology. So this floppy disk is replaced by CD drive, then CD is replaced by DVD drive, and DVD is replaced by pen drive, USB, okay, like that. So whenever any new technology comes, we very often says goodbye to the old technology. The people, they does not like old technology. So here in this lesson, this big data analytics is a very sophisticated pattern of technology, and it affects our lifestyle. How it affects our lifestyle we'll discuss. First let us focus on this, what actually big data is. First try to find out the answer of this question, what is big data. Big data analytics is the complex process, very sophisticated, of examining large and varied data set or big data to uncover information. So it is a very sophisticated, very complex process, okay, and it affects our lifestyle also. So this big data analytics is a very complex. It examines large variety of data, okay, petabyte and exabyte, okay, it is calculated in petabyte and exabyte. So large and varied data set means different data set or big data to uncover information. How is it possible? With the help of big data, it has become very very easy for us. For example, this GPS navigation system, satellite system, we can track with the help of the sensor. We can track the location of the exact area. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, whenever we purchase any goods from Amazon, so what happened, they will give you the tracking ID. So when you will enter the tracking ID, then you will come to know your goods is in Pune. It will reach after 2 days to your destination. So exact location, with the help of tracking ID you will get the information. Now half an hour is remaining, now your goods is at Mangaon, okay, now it is at Loner, now it has reached at Mahad. So time will come, and the delivery boy, when he knocks your door, at that time the exact destination time will be said, okay, at 2:30 your goods is delivered to you. You will get the message also. So this big data analytics, it has affected our lifestyle also, and this big data analytics is used in this company, banks, companies, big companies, corporate sector, they are using, banks they are using. For example, when cricket match is been played, so if suppose you want to know the score of highest and lowest score of the cricketers, then you will come to know with the help of big data analytics. If you want to know about how many century Sachin Tendulkar he has successfully completed, how many 50s he has made, so all this you will get the if you want to know the bowling to bowling, ball to bat, means this match, then you can observe it with the help of big data analytics also. Okay, on this big data analytics, you will come to know each and every record. For example, if suppose means with the help of satellite, you will come to know the meteorological department, they will give you the information, after 2 days there will be a flood, there will be heavy rainfall, okay, there are high chances of earthquake. So how is it possible? So with the help of big data analytics, it has become possible. And this meteorological department, they are using big data analytics. If suppose you want to know means 5 years back record, if you want regarding the cricket match, so you will, it is available. So with the help of big data analytics, you can watch that match also. So big data analytics is used in corporate sector, banking, finance, okay, and it is used by all the corporate sector. So big data analytics is used by means various companies. And one more example I would like to give you. This big data analytics is working on means sources of data. How sources of data they are getting? They are getting the sources of data from Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp sharing, like, dislike, whatever activities we are doing. So they get in that algorithm, it got means recorded. Okay, for example, if I want to purchase this Bata shoes, Bata company shoes, so what I will do, first I will search in the YouTube. So once I will search the YouTube that best brand of Bata, then what will happen, I will get the simultaneously I will get the blinking in the screen of the other companies also brand. So what we learn, this big data, it comes to know your interest. So you are interested in this so and so branch. So if suppose you will off the mobile, then afterwards again when you will on it, so you will get the means advertisement of that shoes only, okay, Bata company. So like that. So they read your mindset. So big data analytics, it reads your mindset, and according to your likes and dislikes, they will give you the advertisement. Okay, so how is it possible? It made possible with the help of big data analytics only. If suppose you want to see the means video on YouTube, once you type the title, so you will get on the same title, you will get 20 to 10, 20, 30, how much that topic is available. Okay, you will get the content of that topic. Okay, for example, this circular motion physics chapter, if suppose you want to study the circular motion, so what happened, you will type, then what will happen, the teachers who have made the YouTube video on circular motion, so with in a line it will come. Okay, so if you want to read whatever you want to read, you read it, and later on if you don't like others video, you can, it depends on you, your likes and dislikes. Okay, so in this way this big data algorithm, it arrests your means interest. Okay, it captures your interest, and accordingly they are sending means that link of different topics, if whatever you are selecting it. Okay, so now next, big data has affected our food habits. It affected our food habits, healthcare system, our scientific pursuits, traveling habits. Big data, for example, lifestyle, it has affected our lifestyle. I would like to give you the example of McDonald's. If suppose you want to eat burger, pizza, with the help of the mobile, you will give the call or you will send a message, so the delivery boy, he will come and he will give you your order. So big data analytics has affected our lifestyle, healthcare. Nowadays, due to this COVID pandemic, so what happened, you can trace the patient very easily. So how it made possible with the help of big data analytics. So big data analytics has made our healthcare. There's Arogya Setu app. So what is the Arogya Setu app? That app is made by the government. It comes under the Ministry of Health. So that app, so suppose in your location any person is having a positive, so what happened, if you will write your name and your name and address, then definitely the medical team will come, they will check you, and in this way they will give you the medicine and all. So in this way this Arogya Setu has helped a lot the patient in the rural area also and in the city also. Healthcare, it is used for location tracking. It is a location tracking app, and with the help of location tracking, the doctor's medical team will go and they will give you the medicine. Our scientific pursuit, our traveling habits, so it has changed our traveling habit also. You can take the example of Ola and Uber. So big data analytics, they are using big data analytics with the help of this technology. This tourism company, they are using the big data analytics, and Ola, Uber, they are using what? GPS system, GPS and Google Map. With the help of this Google Map, what happened, they will take you to the exact location, and you can learn where your car has reached. So how is it possible? With the help of big data analytics only. Next, sources of the collection of data. So how the big data analytics read your data? On post on Facebook, whatever post you are sending on the Facebook. Okay, for example, if you criticize the government, okay, you say that Modi government is not working, they have failed to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. So what will happen? It will register. Your comments are going to be registered, and on the basis of this statistic, they will frame up in the last 1 month how many people have criticized the government. Okay, how many people have criticized the government and how many people have appreciated the Modi government. So it is going to be registered on the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, share a post on WhatsApp, visit a website. When you are visiting any website, so there you are being monitored on website. Online purchase, whenever you are purchasing any online goods, so you will be registered. Okay, you purchase some, for example, shoes or clothes. So what will happen? Then with the help of this big data analytics, they come to know that this customer is interested in clothes, shoes, whatever it may be. Then they will give you a message also. Watch a video. When you are watching any video, so your this IP address would be registered on YouTube. Customer care service. For example, this telephonic company, they are using your number, mobile number, and what happened on the sometime what they are doing, they are selling your number to another companies, and when they will call you, then you think that who gave you my number? I have not given to you. So this thing happened. Okay, so this customer care, what they are doing data transfer to another company, and in this way they are they are what doing? They are playing with our privacy. Then customer care center. Next is social media. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever activities we are doing on website, so it is registered, and on the basis of your this searching and all, so they get the idea. So what you are interested and what not. Okay, now let us have a glance over the first passage. Big data analytics. There is a revolution in the lifestyle of people which has been affected by big data. Our food habits, our healthcare, our traveling, our scientific pursuit, you name it, and everything has changed 360 degrees. So 360 degrees it has changed. The massive data available with us can really work wonder. Friends, do you know what happens when we like a post on Facebook or share a post on WhatsApp? Visit any website, make online purchases, or watch videos. Yes, whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. Whatever activity we are doing on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, okay, so our each and every activity is registered in the algorithm of Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube channel. Okay, so whatever we are doing, it is monitored by the this big data analytics. Next, so a huge amount. Then next, let me give you an idea of how huge data might be. Big data can be a petabytes or exabyte of data consisting of billion trillions of record of millions of people. So it is registered on petabytes and exabytes, million trillions of people. Okay, it is registered, means your name, and your activities is registered on this big data analytics. For example, you might be knowing that when Donald Trump he got the political benefits in election, UK company Cambridge Analytica made the analysis of the data, and that helps the Trump. You know, at the time of election, see voter survey in our country, see voter survey, and different companies, what they are doing, they are creating the opinion, they are putting the opinion of the people. Okay, and on the opinion of the people they are making the survey, and they are giving their verdict which political party is going to win the election. Okay, like that. So similarly, Donald Trump, when he became president of this America, USA, so at that time he gave one contact to the UK company, Cambridge Analytics. So that Cambridge Analytics made the analysis of the data, and they created the opinion in favor of Donald Trump that he is going to become the winner of this election. So what happened? They are creating the opinion, they are diverting the mind of the voters. So it has become very common. Okay. Then next, some different sources of example: web, sales, customer contact center, social media, mobile data, and so on. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, and veracity. And such value, big data is easy to obtain, but so massive that it challenges the current computing technologies, and hence big data analytics is used to give insight that were previously incomprehensible. So what happened? Big data analytics is very huge, very massive. Okay, for example, this big data analytics, you can take the example, with the help of big data analytics only it has become possible to store millions and trillions of the people's, their name, register, this NRC register, the population census. Okay, now government is going to make the NRC, so it is in process. But in population census, what is happening? They are storing means millions and trillions of the people's name, date of birth, religion, okay, each and every detail, and they are storing it on big data analytics. Okay, and in this way it is very useful for the census purpose also, big data analytics. Next, such a data is easy to obtain, but so massive challenges the current computing technologies, and hence big data analytics is used to give insight that were previously incomprehensible. Big data analytics is a complex process of examining large and varied data set. Big data to uncover information such as hidden pattern, unknown correlation, market trends, and customer preferences. With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries are trying to reap the maximum benefit from it. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitor. It is not the amount of data that is important, but what the organization do with the data is what matters. So now what happened? That with the help of big data analytics, it has become possible for us to withdraw money from the ATM. Okay, but it is having means each and every technologies are having its own pros and cons. ATM, with the help of yes, we are going to ATM, we are withdrawing our money. But what happened on the second angle? If you see, on the contrary, then what is happening? The people, some mischievous hackers, what they are doing? They are doing the card cloning. They are removing the money from our ATM. Okay, so this is the drawbacks of this technology. So means this big data analytics is keep the record of millions and trillions of the customers. So bank they are using this service. So how it has made possible very easy because of big data analytics. We are using ATM. Okay, each and every activities of our ATM is registered in big data analytics. Okay, so in this way the hackers they are withdrawing the money, and money fraud is become very dominant and popular nowadays. Then next, so pharmaceutical companies, they are also using this net banking. Pharmaceutical companies, they are using big data analytics. Net banking fraud has increased due to this card cloning, ATM fraud. Then national population register, government is preparing now. And next, if we search on Google on Google, then very often we will get the ad of shoes. I have given this example. Okay, whatever, if we are searching on Google, so you will get the means advertisement of that product, whatever you are purchasing, whether shoes, clothes, watch, mobile. Okay, once you given your likes or dislikes, so then what will happen, then also it is coming that it will blink on your screen. Okay, it means that you are interested in that product. So like that way. So this is the first passage. In first passage we have studied that big data analytics is a very complex process, and it keeps millions and trillions exabyte petabyte. Okay, that is the calculation of exabyte and petabyte of records of the customer, and it uncover the information. Its informations are uncovered. Then next, it has affected our lifestyle, food habit, scientific pursuit, traveling habits. Okay, traveling habit, sources of the collection of data. When we like our post sources, where they are getting the information from this social media site, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and make online purchase, watch video, customer care, website when we are visiting. So from there they are getting the IP address. Now next, second passage. In second passage, now let us discuss the second. Location tracking, like what? Up to the like water. Weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather forecast, weather, give warning of impending natural calamities like floods, storms, earthquake, etc. So the writer, he says that this with the help of location tracking, Ola, Uber, they are using location and maps and navigation. For example, when we are going on Ola or Uber, so we are getting each and every information where now we have reached. Okay, so in your mobile also you can see with the help of Google Map. Okay, so it has become very popular, and when we are giving order of any goods, whenever any items we are purchasing from Flipkart, Amazon, so they are giving you tracking ID, and with the help of that tracking ID we are seeing in our mobile where our goods has reached now, how many days it will take to reach at the destination. So all these things are there. So and this sensor, GPS satellite sensor, it gives the indication. So in the next 24 hours, what will happen? Meteorological Department of India, it gives the warning. So next, after 48 hours, after 2 days, what will happen? There will be a storm, there will be heavy rainfall. The people who are living near the mountain, so they should leave their home. So red alert date announced. So these things are possible with the help of big data. Study global warming. We can also study about the global warming with the help of big data, and availability of natural resources. How many natural resources are available, and what action we have to take in order to protect the natural resources. Then GPS and Google Maps, big data. Okay, this Ola and Uber, these tourism industries, they are using this GPS and navigation system. Okay, now let us have a glance on the second passage. Location tracking. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of the place. Your GPS and Google Maps make use of big data with geographic positioning and radio frequency identification sensor. We get the real-time data about traffic, congestion on a particular route, information if the route is closed or if it is a one-way route, understanding accident-prone areas. So the writer says that with the help of the location tracking, we can come to know. For example, if you see this Mercedes car, means they are having their GPS system very strong. So with the help of big data analytics, you can come to know. For example, we are in Mahad. So 5 kilometers from Mahad, suppose you can take the Veer station. So there is a traffic, or suppose any accident has taken place. So you will get the information with the help of GPS system. If suppose there is a one way or double way, so all information you will get with the help of GPS system. That driver, he will get the idea. Okay, 5 kilometers ahead, what is the situation, what is the position of the highway. So you will get the position of the highway with the help of GPS system. Traffic congestion, whether there is a traffic or not, so each and everything you will come to know with the help of location tracking ID. Next, and you can plan your own route according to the travel time and the transportation of good. If you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods in transit. You can also track the condition of the goods. This has immensely helped the logistic company to reduce risk in transport, improve speed and reliability in delivery. So just now I have given the example of online and okay. So with the help of tracking ID, we comes to know about our goods, where it has reached. So complete information you will be getting with the help of message, with the help of searching in the Google Maps and navigation app. So it is possible how, with the help of big data only. Next, and second thing is that tourism company, they will come to know about their competitors. So what other companies are handling, how they are handling their these tourists, okay, their customers, and what changes they are supposed to do in their hotel. So they can also learn from the big data analytics. Next, understanding the weather pattern. There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe. Huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. They help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Weather pattern gives us warning of the impending natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, tsunami, etc. The necessary preparation to combat them can be made well in advance. We can study global warming, predict availability of natural resources like water. So understanding the weather pattern, with the help of big data analytics, we come to know the weather pattern, natural resources, how many natural resources are extinct, okay, and what step this environment ministry is supposed to take, okay. So all these things we can learn with the help of big data, and this big data can make aware, okay, to the government of our country. So big data analytics also gives us the impending warning, forthcoming warning, what is going to happen, and what may happen and what may not, and what precaution we should take. So each and everything we can decide as per this warning of the meteorological department of India. They gives us the warning regarding the floods, tsunami, okay, earthquake, etc. Next, now passage number third. So what we learn in the passage number second? We learn that big data is using the location tracking. Big data location tracking is possible with the help of big data only. Okay, there is a sensor, satellites that help us to understand weather forecast, what is happening, what may happen. Okay, so it is about rainfall. There will be heavy rainfall, then they will give us premonition warning, like storm, earthquake, floods, etc., tsunami. It also study global warming and availability of natural resources. Then next, I have given the example of Ola and Uber, hospitality industries and tourism industries. They are using this okay, service of Ola and Uber, and it gives us them opportunity to modify, and also it also gives them opportunity to become aware of their competitor rivals. Okay, now next, number third passage. Healthcare industry. Healthcare industry, today we see that people have become health conscious. The smartwatches, other wearable health app in our phone keep on collecting data. We can say that there are our own mini biomedical research devices. They detect our heart rate, monitor the patient sleep pattern, keep a record of his exercise, the distance walk, etc. The analysis of this data collected can give a new insight and provide a personalized individual feedback to each and every person. Nowadays we have a gadget to monitor blood pressure, blood sugar, etc. At home 24/7. So what happened? Healthcare industry. So as you know that due to this COVID pandemic, so the people, they have become more concerned about their health. Okay, oximeter and infrared thermometer we are using to check the body temperature, and oximeters pulse rate, heart rate, so all these things. So with this pandemic, what happened, we became very much conscious and we are more concerned about our health. So this big data analytics made it possible. And next thing is that various apps are available on the Google Play Store. Means just like blood pressure, your blood pressure will be checked. If you will download the app, so it will show you your blood pressure, okay, like that. So these healthcare industries, they are also using the big data analytics, and they are keeping each and every record of the patient. Okay, next, monitoring can be provided to the patient in hospital too. With the help of big data, the doctors can now have better diagnosis of any ailment, the effect of any drug, etc. Unnecessary guesswork can be significantly reduced. So big data analytics has reduced the risk of means unnecessary data, unnecessary ailment. Sometime what happened, doctor they are giving overdose, and in this way what happened, patient he could not sustain, and he may die also. And this thing we have seen in this COVID pandemic also. So overdose they gave, so many patients young they have passed away. So you can take the example of this Arogya Setu app. I have given the example. So that Taiwan is a very small country. It tackled the COVID patient very quickly. How is it possible? With the help of location tracing, the medical teams were going and they did a testing. Enormous amount of testing they did, and on the basis of their testing and location tracking, they have treated their patient, and in this way Taiwan has become corona free. And next example, you can take the Kerala. In the first wave, what happened? Kerala, the government of Kerala spent 20,000 crore rupees on the for the people. So what happened? Very quickly they come up from this pandemic. Okay, so the efforts of the Chief Minister of Kerala is appreciated all over country. Next, big data with the help of big data, the doctors can have better diagnosis of any ailment. Unnecessary guesswork can be significantly reduced. Past record of the patient can be maintained, and better analysis of the health can be obtained. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and disease. Just when you pass your message, I am down with flu, on WhatsApp or Facebook, it will be monitored, and the areas affected by flu can be easily located, and necessary precaution can be taken. Pharmaceutical companies would pay huge amount to receive the health data of people to promote research in the particular area. With the help of the data gathered, individuals are often given suggestion and solution for the problem they are encountered. One more example. The IITians of Kerala, means engineer, what they did, they prepared the app. It was just like a Arogya Setu app. So what happened? The app they made a very common for the people. If you download the app, if you are having any fever and any symptom, you give the message. So what will happen? Doctor team will come and they will give you treatment. So in this way, what happened? They covered entire state. And in this way, what happened? They reduced the risk of the coronavirus pandemic in their area. Then pharmaceutical companies, they earn means a large amount of money. Okay, pharmaceutical companies, they earn a large amount of money when they comes to know the remdesivir is a valuable medicine and it is going to help the patient. So what happened? They started selling double triple price. Okay, and in this way some people they were recovered, and most of the people they were died after taking the heavy dose of remdesivir also. Okay, so these things we have seen in this pandemic time. Next, so now nowadays what happened? In ancient time, if we see, so what happened? The people, when smallpox come, people were dying, and there were no emergency service. But nowadays what happened? Science has become very advanced, and 24/7 we are having the service. Okay, we are having hospital, ambulance service, doctors are available. So now we are not hearing that some person has died due to smallpox. Okay, like that, smallpox or TB. So it is curable nowadays. Earlier it was not like that. Next point. So in this way, with the help of the data gathered, individuals are often given suggestion and solution for the problem they are encountering. So this Aarogya Setu help app is proved to be very helpful to reduce the risk of the coronavirus pandemic. So in this way, the writer he says that healthcare industries, they are also earning a money, okay, and they are using the track record of the big data analytics. With the help of these big data analytics, what they are doing, they are earning the money, and in this way it has become very much possible for all the people of our country to avail the opportunities of this big data analytics, and all these big companies, corporate sectors, they are availing, they are utilizing these big data analytics, and in this way they are earning enormous amount of profit. Okay, so banking sector, finance, management, pharmaceutical companies, railways, they are also using the GPS system, Google Map, and with the help of all these sensors, they are using it, and this big data analytics also helps each and every government sector, public sector and private sector, and in this way what happened, they are earning enormous amount of money. So this is the main idea of our passage number 3rd. So dear student, if you are having any doubt or queries regarding our first part of 1.4 lesson, big data, big analytics, so then you please give your comment on our comment box section of the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.